Hello and welcome to day 18 of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jane Ayres.
And we're puzzle and brain training authors, but here we are not writing puzzles, we are solving them. Yesterday we discovered that door 18 was behind the pineapple
A pineapple on the roof.
Actually, just a regular pineapple. Up here. So it says, Rosie Jones, who came last in Series 18, scored 36 prize task points, beaten only by series winner Andy Zaltzman with 38.
Lovely.
And inside the room I can see there is a bonus task.
Yay.
And
they're always fun.
A regular task.
And something else.
Quite fancy looking thing.
Ooh, really fun.
Let's try this first.
This is so good, this Advent Calendar.
Follow the instructions to identify the plane's serial number. Construct the correct plane. Find its twin.
Fair enough.
And there are planes on here. You can see one here and over here for stars. And down here. So there's probably others as well, including there. You have until tomorrow. So construct the correct plane, find its twin.
Great.
And there's a room in here. We'll have a look in there in a minute. And
are the instructions small on the bottom?
There's instructions on here.
Great.
And that's as far as it unfolds.
One part of each colour. So we just need to choose the right colours.
Oh, I see. Okay. And they have on the left serial numbers. Okay, so each has got a white, a black, and a green. I think it's green digit. I mean, some of them are letters, but then the last one is a digit, and we have to have the serial number. The black digits must be a mix of vowels and consonants. How can a digit be a mix of vowel and consonants? If you add up the green digits, the total should be an odd number under 20. In order of wings, tail, and body, the white digits must go in reverse alphabetical order. Got the same codes here. On the back, no, the back's blank. And in the room itself, there's a yellow aeroplane flying through the sky without a care in the world.
But not much else.
But not much else.
Okey-doke. So we're just going to put that together in a logical way.
So we're just doing this on its own, I guess, without the rest of the calendar.
Let's.
I just casually threw the bonus task away. Shall we see what that is?
Yeah.
Land this plane, most dramatic landing wins.
Great.
Dramatic landings will be judged by Alex Hall and post them to the internet. You have until Friday the 19th of December at 9 a.m.
Yay.
All right. So how do we work this out?
Just by logic, no?
Oh, and it's got a notepad.
You can have a notepad.
Black digits must be a mix of vowels and consonants. So let's write down the black digits first, although they are actually not, they're symbols more than digits, aren't they? U, C. So hang on, I need three of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these, right?
Yeah.
So these are black. I've written black very neatly there. I can't
beautiful.
read it myself. The black digits must be a mix of vowels and consonants, so we know we need some mix of those. If you add up the green digits, which are
the total
8, we have to add those up to form an odd number under 20.
Okie dokes.
And I'm guessing that we use a different combination of colours, because on the box aren't all the planes different combinations of colours?
I believe so, yeah.
In order of wings, tail, body, the white digits must go in reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so the white digits are O. Okay, so the top ones are the tail.
So that's tail, and then these ones are wing, and then the other ones are body. So it's wings, tail, then body.
Is that the correct order?
Alphabetical order, yeah.
If we look on the calendars, I think we should, then the planes we have, are they all, is it true what I said, that they're all a mix of colours? No.
As in they don't all need to be distinct.
2 blue and a yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow, blue, red.
Yeah.
Blue, red, yellow.
Got another one down there.
Yellow, yeah.
There's one up here. Yeah, so I think we're...
Well, they are all a mix of colours, with the one exception of this, which has got 2 yellow, and here, which has got 2 blue.
But basically, we shouldn't be restricted by choosing one from
No, we don't have to choose one from each one.
Which actually narrows it down less.
Less, much less.
Okay.
So now what are we?
This is just the power of logic now.
But what logic is there? Okay, so better plan. Let's just make the planes that are on the calendar.
We're going to reverse engineer
see what they are. Yeah. So we have...
Where do you want to start?
The top left.
So that would have OU8. So I'm looking here. It's got this tail, red tail piece here. Do you agree that's OU8?
Yeah, but wings, tail, body.
Do you want to do it like that way?
No, I'm not sure what order we do it in.
Well, if we do it, that's sensible. So this, I'm looking at the yellow wings, because it's got yellow. This is a yellow wing piece. So if we were choosing this plane, it would be LR4.
Okay, so this plane's got yellow wings, so it's LR4.
So wings, tail, body, the white digits must go in reverse alphabetical order. So L. So if you look at then, it says wings, tail, body. So if you then look at the tail here, which is red, which is here, it's OU8, but the
I understand what you're saying.
the white O doesn't go in reverse alphabetical order, so it can't be that plane.
Okay, so it can't be
So should
this.
we have a look at a different plane?
It can't be that plane.
Can't
okay.
be that plane.
Let's do this plane here.
Okay, so the tail, so it goes wings, tail, body. So we'll start with wings. So it's got blue wings, so that's ZW6.
Okay.
And then tail is blue, so that would be MV2. And then the body is yellow, so that's BG9. So does that fit? So the black digits must be a mix of vowels and consonants. Black digits are the middle one, so W.
So that's not right.
WVG. Okay, it's not that.
Not that one.
Okay.
Let's do this plane here.
Okay, so we'll start with the tail. So the tail is IC2.
Right.
The red wing is KI7.
Oh, that's gone wrong then.
You're right, because it's not in reverse alphabetical order. I've got one here.
Okay, we'll do that one. KI7.
KI7, and then blue tail, MV2,
Yep.
and then a yellow body, which is BG9.
No, that doesn't work because the first one doesn't go backwards.
Okay, so it's not that one.
There's the one up here.
This is quicker. Okay, so we've got
we couldn't do it the other way. It wasn't solvable the other way. There were many options
the
probably.
wings, tail, body. So wings first, so we've got yellow wings, which are LR4.
LR4.
Then is that blue tail? I think it is.
Yeah, it's a blue
Blue tail is MV2. So it's not that because they're not going in reverse
No, they
alphabetical
are.
order.
No, they're not. You're right. We're
so good at the alphabet, we've got another plane down here. Okay, so wings we've got KI7.
Yep.
Then tail we've got IC2.
That's reverse alphabetical order.
And then body we've got BG9.
Oh, this works. No, it's an even number. The 9, 2 and 7 adds up to an even number. So we've eliminated all the planes.
Well, maybe there's more planes.
We must have made a mistake. Let's try... Well, we've got the tail fins the wrong way around on this one. Let's try this one again.
Up
then.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, so yellow tail fin.
Which was what?
IC2.
Yeah, I've got IC2 here.
And then, it's wings, tail, body. That's why I've got that wrong. So it's wings is KI7.
Here.
And then tail, the yellow tail is IC2.
Oh, we haven't done that.
Okay.
KI7,
So KI7.
IC2. It's the same as down the bottom, but this is
IC2, but
different.
then the body is DE4.
So what does that work? How does that work? KID. Goes backwards to the
That goes
alphabet.
backwards.
Yeah, that's right. Adds up to an odd number. This is 4 here. So 6 and 7. Yeah, that's right. It's less than 20.
I, C, and E.
And then I, C, and E is a mix of vowels and
consonants.
So it's
Yay!
this plane here.
Great.
That only took about 3 hours.
User error a bit there.
Right, it was easy to get confused.
I'm glad we reverse engineered that. I'm not sure we'd have been able to
Day
figure
90.
that out logically.
Well, I think you were supposed to do it by comparing against the calendar.
Hooray.
I think there were many other ways of combining them. Probably.
Great.
19.
Yay.
So we've solved that.
Yay.
If you'd like to join us for day 19, do please join us in tomorrow's video. But until then, I shall say goodbye.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.